Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a Social Security beneficiary, this is an important video for you. Today, we're diving into some exciting news: the Social Security paycheck increase for 2025. We'll break down what's changing, why it's happening, and most importantly, how much extra you could be seeing in your monthly checks. Let's get started. 2025 Social Security increase explained. Every year, the Social Security Administration adjusts benefit payments based on something called the Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA. This adjustment is designed to help Social Security recipients keep up with inflation, and 2025 is expected to see a significant increase in benefits. So, how much of an increase are we talking about? While exact numbers can vary, the COLA for 2025 is expected to be around 60%. This means that your monthly Social Security check could increase by approximately $1,000 to $100,000 depending on your current benefits. Now, you may be wondering, why the increase? Well, it all boils down to inflation. As everyday expenses like groceries, gas, and housing go up, Social Security aims to help beneficiaries cover these rising costs. The COLA increase is tied to the Consumer Price Index, which measures inflation. Let's take a quick look at how 2025 stacks up compared to recent years. Last year, in 2024, beneficiaries saw a 25% increase, and in 2023, the increase was 45%. So, the 2025 boost is in line with the overall trend of rising COLAs as inflation impacts everyday life. The big question is, how will this affect you? The increase will be automatically applied to your Social Security check starting in January 2025, so there's no need to apply or take any extra steps. The increase applies to everyone receiving retirement, disability, or survivor benefits. Let's do some quick math. If you're currently receiving the average Social Security benefit of $1,500 per month, a 56% increase means you could see an extra $1,100 per month. That's an additional $10,000 per year. So, what can you do with that extra cash? Some people may want to use it to offset higher living expenses, like rent or utilities. Others might want to put it towards savings or even some leisure activities. Whatever your choice, remember this increase is meant to help you maintain your standard of living. And there you have it, everything you need to know about the Social Security increase for 2025. Make sure to stay on top of your finances and plan for how this increase can help you in the year ahead. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.